Hi, Scott Dolan at MarineMax Dallas. And we're going to do a brief walkthrough on a Harris Solstice 250. All right, so this Solstice has the SLDH floor plan, so single lounge, dual helm, that's what the SLDH stands for. So wraparound seating in the front, 4 cup holders on either side, JL audio. This boat's gonna have JL audio throughout, so that's also gonna give you the subwoofer and the amplifiers. Double USB port and all of the mouse hole cutouts, so there'll be a double there, a double there, double in the back, as well as one at the helm with a wireless charger. So plenty of outlets to keep all of your electronics charged. Flip up seats, so storage underneath all of your seats, in-floor ski locker, which is great. Elevated helm with a built-in 9-inch SIMRAD, so chart plotter, downscan sonar, forward-looking nav, all of that stuff. Here's also where your JL head unit is. This seat here is actually a bow filler cushion, so this is movable. And this seat is actually built to fill in that seat in the front of the gate. That way you've got full U-shaped seating up on the front of the boat. So, elevated helm, dual captain seats. This boat does have a manual folding tower with an extended bimini off the back and also a full bimini towards the front. So this is a 25-foot boat. It's going to have about 23 and a half feet of shade. So really, really good. Flip seating back here in the back. So this can be flipped like this if you're pulling kids on the tubes and the skis, or you can also fold this down flat to make a full sun pad. And then if you like, kick up the rest back here in the back to use it as a forward-facing chase. Built-in cooler underneath the side over here. There's also a 12-volt plug back here to use for like an inflator. Another double USB port. A stereo remote control down here. Stereo remote control back here. Flip over swim seat. This boat does have the V8 300 Mercury on the back of it. So really nice boat and a ton of deck space back here on the back of the boat. Since this is where a lot of people spend a lot of their time, really nice to have the extra space back here. So if you got any questions on this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.